So accelerator pedal version 2. Paul on the forum, after I got my accelerator pedal in, said that might hit the steering shaft. Paul, you were dead on. So once I got the steering shaft in, I did get some interference. And let me show you where I got that at. So I got interference between here and up into here, especially with the plug. So what I did is I moved the hole over towards the engine this way. I moved over to the engine that way, about 1/4 of an inch. So the pedal kind of cocks sideways a little bit, and then ground this down more to clear the metal panel there. And now I've got clearance. It's very tight. I mean, I've got about a 1/64 of an inch once this is plugged in to here. And I dropped it down a hair too by just opening up the holes a little bit. It works perfect now, but as I said, I wanted to show you what I had to do. And then I shortened this and then put this pedal here on, which I think I got from Forte back east, but I can't remember. I've had that pedal sitting around a long time. It's got a little emblem that goes in here that says AC on it, a couple of rubber grommets, so it kind of cleans it up a little bit. I thought about putting 2 of these on. I saw someone else do that. It looks very nice. But I didn't have those, and I had that, so I kind of went with it. I may eventually change that out. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know yet. But right now I'm going with this. I said then I got the dead pedal now over here. So I think it looks pretty good. As I said, it is a very tight fit, and you have to drop this down to get this plug in. It will not go in with the steering shaft in. But it's tight, but it does clear. And as I said, in the Coyote install kit, they came with this bracket, and I couldn't quite figure out how to make that bracket work. They made it look like it goes up and around the steering column, but it's never going to make it. So I don't know what was going on with that. But right now it fits perfect. I've got no issues. I think it looks good. These pedals are all in alignment across the top. Throttle lid's a little lower. So I really don't see any issues. We're going to go with it, and we'll see how it works. So thanks again for watching throttle pedal, electronic pedal assembly version 2. So Paul, you were right. Thank you.